Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Las Vegas, Henderson, Sam Boyd Stadium, Green Valley, Anthem, Paradise, East Las Vegas, Lake Las Vegas, Southern Highlands, Enterprise, Las Vegas Bay, Mountains Edge, Silverado Ranch, Seven Hills, Harry Reid International Airport, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Sloan, Henderson Executive Airport, Black Mountain, and Frenchman Mountain. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 23 and 25. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Y se lo llevaron a un centro de detención. En Pomona, California, se desató el caos y el miedo tras una redada cerca de un centro de jornaleros a manos de agentes de la patrulla fronteriza.
No firmen nada, ¿ok?
Entre los detenidos se encontraba el señor Fernández